And we are back. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the window switch module on the driver's side of this 2008 Mazda 3. If your window switches aren't working properly, as this one wasn't, this quick fix will help get everything working smoothly again. And the best part? You only need two tools, a Phillips screwdriver and a trim piece removal tool, which also comes with the window switch module. So before we get started, make sure your vehicle is off and the keys are removed from the ignition. You don't want any electrical mishaps while working on the switches. So next, we're going to open up our package and remove the window switch module and the tool from the box. So first, we're going to need to remove the trim around the window switch. Using your trim piece removal tool, gently pry around the edges of the trim around the switch panel. Start from the bottom and then work your way up. Be careful not to break any clips, as they can be fragile, especially on older vehicles. And on this piece, there's a little clip on the front, so you're going to pull up from the bottom and then pull it out towards the left to not break the clip. And here's the clip that you need to watch out for. Before we can remove the switch, we need to disconnect the electrical connector attached to it. Simply press down on the clip on the connector and pull it out. Be gentle with this step so you don't break the clip or damage the wires. The module is secured in the back by 3 Phillips head screws. Once the screws are removed, you can simply pull the module out. Now, we remove the new module from the packaging, confirm it's the right fit, then we place the new module inside the trim. Then we secure it with the 3 Phillips head screws. Now, take your new window switch module and connect the electrical connectors to it. Make sure the connection is secure and you hear it click into place. Remember this clip from earlier? We're going to reinstall it in the reverse order that we removed it. Slide the clip end in first, then push down until it snaps into place. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like these.